imagine we're a brand new person is listening to this and they want to get into that world.
Yeah.
Okay. I've been wanting to do this and I've been expecting to do this. I have an idea for a product. I have an idea for a merch brand that I want to come out. I want that person listening right now to potentially learn from a few failure stories without mentioning names that you've seen businesses fail for doing certain things that are maybe something that you've seen as a common denominator across the board. What are some of those things that are no-goes, something that you want to stay away from, potentially implode your business if you don't handle sourcing correctly?
Yeah, I mean, there's a couple things.
Okay.
One is, really understand who you're working with. So if you want Alibaba, for example, well, Alibaba is a fantastic platform, and I do a lot of content teaching people how to use Alibaba properly. There's a lot of trading companies, a lot of middlemen on Alibaba that are pretending to be factories. And when you're not working directly with a factory, there are some benefits to working with trading companies, but a lot of times you don't always have full control over the quality, because they can, what we've seen before is you're going and ordering a specific product from a trading company and everything's going great. And then you're negotiating with them and trying to lower your price point. And then at a certain point, they go and then use a different factory to produce that item. And then
to meet your price point or to...
Exactly, but they don't go and they tell you that they're switching factories on you for whatever the reason is that they're going to switch factories. Right? And especially if you're doing a product like an electronics product, right? You can have an absolute disaster where the product, it doesn't meet spec, is breaking, all these different issues. So I'd say like a really easy way to prevent that is you can do a couple things. You can go and look at the company's address. So if you are looking at their address and you're seeing that they're located in like Hong Kong or Shanghai, same concept of like someone saying, yeah, I run a whole massive factory in Manhattan. No one's gonna go and own a factory in Manhattan.
Malibu.
Yeah, exactly. There's probably a trading company, right? So another thing you can do is you can go and you can use WeChat, WeChat is like the WhatsApp of China.
That's what Elon's trying to do here.
Exactly. It's like a super app. And you can actually FaceTime them, right? Do a video chat with them and say, hey, let me see the factory, right? And if they're not able to do that, then they're probably not at the factory. They're probably not the factory. Yeah. The other thing is like understanding also like, is this factory actually specialized in it? Because you'd be working with a factory and you're like, okay, I want to make backpacks with this like backpack factory and they seem awesome and the pictures look good. Then you go and you hop on the call with them and you go through their factory and they're like, yeah, we can make you 50,000 backpacks a day. And you hop on the call with them and they're making hats and there's 20 people on the production line.
They're hustling. They're just trying to they're just trying to sell.
Exactly.